Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest trends and hottest topics. Today, we dive into the world of hair colors and explore the captivating allure of red hair. From fiery red to soft auburn, this vibrant shade has the power to transform your entire look. So, grab a seat and let's delve into the fascinating world of red hair colors. Red hair colors have always been a symbol of individuality and self-expression. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or simply enhance your natural beauty, there's a shade of red that will perfectly match your style. From celebrities on the red carpet to fashion-forward influencers, red hair has taken the spotlight in recent years. One of the reasons red hair is so captivating is its versatility. You can choose from a spectrum of shades, ranging from vibrant and daring to subtle and elegant. Fiery reds like Scarlet Blaze or Crimson Crush can make heads turn and add a touch of drama to your appearance. On the other hand, softer hues like Ginger Spice or Copper Sunset can give you a natural and warm glow. Red hair colors also have the ability to complement various skin tones, making it accessible to everyone. The key is finding the right shade that harmonizes with your complexion. For fair skin, strawberry blondes and light copper tones can create a stunning contrast. Olive or medium skin tones pair beautifully with deep auburn or mahogany reds. Even those with darker skin can rock red hair with confidence by opting for vibrant burgundy or dark cherry shades. So, whether you're looking for a dramatic change or a subtle transformation, red hair colors offer endless possibilities. Embrace your uniqueness, express your personality, and let your hair do the talking.